Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another installment of 52 Weeks of Clean. And if you are new to my channel, what this series is it's basically deep cleaning your house from top to bottom over the course of a year, so that by the time the year is up, every single area in your home will have been touched at least once. So these are tasks that we normally don't do. They're not on our weekly cleaning or even our monthly cleaning list. So it's just kind of like random stuff that all of a sudden you look at it and go, ew. This hasn't, when was the last time I cleaned this? So that's what we're working on today. And today is going to be a pretty easy one. So if you have a busy week coming up this week, you're going to be happy that this one is going to be easy. We are deep cleaning our television sets. So a lot of times I steer clear of cleaning my TV because I'm always worried about that if I'm using the proper chemicals to clean it, or if I'm going to scratch it or whatever. I'm always like nervous to clean it, so I kind of leave it off to the wayside and I only do it when I absolutely have to. But today we're going to go ahead and clean every single TV in my house. So that is 4 TVs. My TV from before we did our living room transformation, it was just kind of open, and I run a daycare center here. So there's all these little handprints all over it, and I haven't cleaned it up yet because I was waiting to do it for this video to show you guys how gross it really got. But now we've moved it and we've put like a dresser in front of it so they can't actually reach it. So it should stay cleaner for longer. But I really hope that I can actually show you guys. It's pretty dim in here. It's starting to get dark out. So I hope that you guys can actually see when I show you the before shots of how bad the TV really is. Anyways, without further ado, let's just get right on into it, and let me know in the comments down below if I helped motivate you today. Okay, you guys, so I'm trying to show you here, I'm trying to get an angle that will show you how dirty the TV really is. You can kind of see it there. I'm just kind of moving my tripod with this light there. You guys can kind of see it. Look at all of those handprints. I'm really sorry for this weird angle right now, but this is the best that I can do to kind of just show you guys how gross it is. Look at that. Ew! Ew, 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 ew. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to try a couple of different things. I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth, and I'm going to try to use my Method all-purpose cleaner because it does say it's good on glass. I'm just going to spray, let me get in front of the camera. I'm just going to go ahead and spray the cloth and then try and wipe it on there. I don't really want to spray directly onto the TV. So we're going to go ahead and see if that works. Other than that, we could try, I think I have some Windex, or we could try vinegar and water. We'll see how well this takes off the handprints. This is the dirtiest TV in the house. The rest of them are probably just dusty. So we'll see if that works. Okay guys, so I think it did get these smudges, but it's kind of like streaky now. So I think I'm going to go and get a dry cloth, and then I'm going to just wipe it down with a dry cloth. So it's kind of streaky now from the product. Why are TVs so hard to clean? Okay, you guys, so once again, I wish I might have to wait to carry on with this video until tomorrow because it's just not bright enough for you guys to see it. But you can kind of see it's very streaky. Yeah, there we go. Oh, focus. Focus, camera, focus. Yeah, it's very streaky now. So the handprints are gone, but it is extremely streaky, which we don't want, of course. So what I actually think I'm going to try to do, look at all these dust particles flying around. Oh my lord. I think I'm going to try and use eyeglass cleaner. I've heard that that is a really good thing to try to use. So I'm going to try to use eyeglass cleaner and see how that works, and wait for my camera to focus in again. Okay. Let's go get that and we'll try that in a minute. Okay, this is working much better already. You guys, eyeglass cleaner I think might be the ticket. I wish I had a bigger cloth like this. You probably don't want to saturate it too much. And I probably want to stick to going one way instead of continuing to change it up. I'm just going to try to go across the whole thing. Okay, I need to add more. Oh, ah! Oh my gosh. Guys, it's still kind of streaky. I don't know. I need another one of these. I only have one, I think. Oh my gosh. I'm going to see if I have another eyeglass cleaning cloth somewhere. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I think this is as good as the front is going to get. I want to take you into the bedroom to show you that TV before the light gets too bad, because I want to show you what that looks like. But it does look a lot better. Let's see if we can identify any of those fingerprints there anymore. See, there's still a little bit of streaking there, but gosh, you guys, it is so hard to clean this. I think what I'm going to have to do is wait until tomorrow when it's light on in here again and see if it looks okay. I don't know, because we might have to maybe get different supplies or something. I don't know. I should have Googled before I did this video how to clean a TV properly, because cool. Anyways, we're going to move on into the bedroom because I want to show you guys that one before the lighting gets too bad. We are going to come back and clean the back and everything and dust and everything, but that can be done later. I don't need like perfect lighting to see that, so I want to take you guys into the bedroom and show you that screen first. Okay, so once again, now see when I'm standing here with my eye, I can see how dusty it is, but it's not really picking up on camera. There we go. There we go. So it's basically just dust. You guys can see all along there. The camera focuses. So I'm going to go, and I'm not going to do the method on this one. I'm just going to do the glass cleaner and see what that does. Like, I don't know, does it just always look streaky no matter what? This is the worst tutorial ever. I'm so sorry, you guys. I did not think that it was going to be this difficult to clean the TV. Here it was like, oh, we're going to have a nice, easy time with this one. Oh no, I went across the top and I got all this dust. Crap, I was supposed to wait for that till later. Okay. Thought this was going to be a nice, easy video. Oh. Nope. Sure isn't. Okay, here we go. So now that I'm just buffing it out with this one, I am noticing a lot less streaks on this one. So maybe it was using that method that killed me in the first place. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the way to go. Noticing a lot less streaking on this one because I didn't use that method first of all. So don't use method all-purpose cleaner on your TV. Just use eyeglass cleaner. Use eyeglass cleaner and cloth, and then buff it all out afterwards with a microfiber. And this is working perfectly. Okay, this one's going to be a lot easier. And kind of the more you buff it out, it looks like the less streaks you have. Okay. Oh, this looks way better. I don't see any streaks at all. So I'm gonna have to go back and do that again with the other one. Okay, yay! Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm now just gonna go ahead and do the backs of these two TVs because I'm gonna need to wash these in order to redo this again tomorrow and to do the other two TVs as well. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the backs and wash these, and then probably tomorrow you guys will see the footage of me doing this again in the living room and doing the basement TVs as well. So, okay, now we have a plan. This is what works. No streaks. Awesome.
I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crown so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like. Stop, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope I was able to give you some deep cleaning inspiration. If you are new to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm getting very close to 1,000 subscribers, and I would love to hit that mark here very, very soon. In any case, I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see